Hello and welcome. My name is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to sublimate on cotton t-shirts. For this project, you will need a printer with sublimation ink. If you still don't have a sublimation printer and would like to learn how to convert an Epson EcoTank into a sublimation printer, I invite you to look for my tutorial on my channel. I will link it in the video description down below. Also, you will need DTF powder and DTF transfer film. I will be using Gosai DTF powder and film, butcher paper or parchment paper, and a heat press machine. I will link all the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description down below. I will start with the tutorial by printing the design. I will print the design from the free graphic design program Inkscape. If you would like to learn how to print sublimation designs from Inkscape, I invite you to look for my tutorial on my channel. Now I'm going to go ahead and print it. Go to File, click on Print, select your printer, go to More Settings. On paper source, you're going to select paper tray. Size is going to be A4, since the DTF film is that size. On paper type, you're going to select Premium Presentation Paper Matte. On quality, select High. Click on Print Preview if you wish. Go to More Settings, and here is very important to select Mirror Image. Click OK, then Print. And this is a preview of how it's going to print. If everything looks okay, click on Print. Now to print the design, you will need the DTF film. Like I mentioned before, I will be using Gosai brand. The matte side is the printable side. If you place this film along in the printer, it might not print. To make sure it prints, I like to place a piece of regular paper on the back and secure it with tape runner. To print my designs, I use an Epson EcoTank printer with Hippo sublimation ink. If you still don't have a sublimation printer and would like to learn how to convert an Epson EcoTank into a sublimation printer, I invite you to look for my tutorial on my channel. I will link it in the video description down below. Remove the paper on the back and place the printing on a container. Now I will apply the DTF powder to the printing. I'm going to be using Gosai DTF powder. Save the leftover powder to reuse it for future printings. I see some very thin black lines on this side. I will cut around the design so they do not print on the t-shirt. Now I'm going to move to the next step. I'm going to cure the design. Preheat the heat press at 385 degrees Fahrenheit and place the design under the heat for 1 minute. Do not press. The powder already melted, and as you can see, the colors look more vivid and bright. Now we're going to let it cool down, and then we're going to press it on the t-shirt. I'm going to press it at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 seconds. Press the t-shirt before placing the design. Now clean the surface using a lint roller. Now place a piece of butcher paper inside the t-shirt. Place a Teflon paper or a piece of butcher paper on top and press it at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 seconds. To press my designs, I use my HTV Rond auto heat press machine. Find the link in the video description down below. Let it cool down and then remove the transparent film. Look how beautiful the design looks on the cotton t-shirt. You can leave it like that, or you can press it again for another 20 seconds. Just place a piece of butcher paper or parchment paper on top before pressing. Press it only for 20 seconds. It looks beautiful. I like how the design printed on the cotton t-shirt. It feels soft. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to sublimate on cotton t-shirts using Goside DTF powder. I will link all the supplies used in this tutorial in the description below. And please do not forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.